So this next video is basically how I'm going to show you how to replace or remove this tray. There is basically, in order to gain access to the BMW inline 6 here, I have to remove this tray, and once this tray is removed with all its parts, then I have access to the entire engine. So we begin by first removing the cabin air filter box. So it's retained by 6 screws here, here. I've already removed here, 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 and it just comes off like so. And this one's brand new because I've just replaced it. Now, in order to remove the entire tray, we first have to begin by removing these box covers. So there's a clip right here. I grab here and slightly unclip there, right here, and pop off so it comes off. Hold right there, there's a little clip there, there's a little clip here. Take that off. There we go. I'll break it. And that's it. Comes off. So I'm going to now remove some of these components. I'm trying to be careful here, not break anything. There's one right there. Comes off. There's a little slide right there. There's a little tab that comes off. Same thing here. Remove the component. At least the wire there. So I hook that. Take that off. Take that off. Like that. Unclip. Nope. And there's one right here. Undo that. And undo this right here. And already you can see it's beginning to move. Alright, in order to remove the tray, we need to loosen 2 8mm bolts right here. Oops, I'm tightening it. There's one here on both sides. In order to remove the tray, we have to remove this cassette that holds various lines, and basically you just grab and you pull down. Once that's done, I need to now pry off these little bits. There. 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 This comes off. This hose is released. Alright. Once that's done, the entire tray then slides out. Like that. With the tray now out, we can access the cover of the engine by removing these bolts. I basically just leave this here. This should give enough clearance to do replacing spark plugs with just having these things. I'm not going to move this around. That's it.